Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Okay, so good morning, Prim. Good morning, Bing.
Good morning, teacher.
So while waiting for the others, we're going to play a game first. I want to see.
Game. I like game.
Yeah, I want to see if you are familiar already with fraction. So this game is about fraction. Let's try. Good morning, Gan. Good morning, Namon 15. Let's play a game. You're going to tell me what fraction, okay? What fraction is it? Okay, let's try. Good morning, Earth. Good morning, Ayun. Good morning, Pink. Okay, we're going to play a game. In this game, we're going to find what fraction is shown in the pizza, okay? Let's see if you're familiar with it. Okay, so what are we going to pick? So we're going to count the pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And since there are 8 cuts, okay, it's going to be 7 over 8, okay? You will say 7 eighths. Like that, okay? 7 eighths. Okay, here, what's this? Okay, since it's going to be a whole pizza, it's going to be 1. Okay, 1 pizza. This one, what's going to be the fraction? 1 over?
1.
This is 1/8, okay? 1/8.
1/8.
This one?
4/8.
4/8 or 1/2, okay? 4/8 is also 1/2. Okay, let's try it again. This one?
4/8.
4/8. Okay, very good. 4/8 or 1/2. What about this one? Come on.
3/8.
3/8. Good job. What about this one?
5/8.
5/8. Good job. This one?
2/8.
2/8 or 1/4. This one?
5/8.
5/8. Good job. This one? Okay, let's play again. Is it easy?
Easy. Very,
Okay.
very easy.
Very, very, very easy. This one?
7/8.
7/8. Good job. This one?
8/8.
Oh, what are we going to do if it's
One.
okay? Very good. 1. This one? 7/8. Good job.
2/8.
2/8 or 1/4. 2/8 is 1/4 also.
5/8.
5/8. Good job.
4/8.
4/8 or 1/2. This one?
6/8.
6/8.
Okay, 6/8 or 3/4. Good job.
5/8.
5/8. Good job.
3/8.
3/8. Good job.
5/8.
Oh,
5/8.
we are the winner. We are the first one. Okay, let's play again.
One.
1. Good job.
3/8.
3/8.
3/8. Good job.
6/8.
6/8.
6/8 or? What is 6/8? 3/4. Remember, okay? 3/4.
4.
Yes, 6/8 is
Four.
3/4.
4.
Yes. This one?
4/8.
4/8 or 1/2.
1/2.
Yes,
1/2.
that's 1/2. Okay na? Okay?
3/8.
3/8. Good job. This one?
5/8.
5/8. Very good. What about this one?
6/8.
6/8 or? 6/8 or? 3?
Number 1.
4.
3/4. Very good. You're starting to remember it. Okay, let's try it again.
Okay.
Let's try.
Two
This
eight.
one. 2, 8
Two
or
eight.
2 8. Or
Or
1.
1 2.
1 2. 1 2.
Nope. 1
1
fourth. 1 fourth. This one.
7 8.
7, 8. Good job. What about this one?
1
1
8.
8.
1, 8. Good job. This one.
6 8. 6 8.
Or
8.
Or 3 4.
3 fourths. Good job. This one.
3 8.
3 eighths. Wow, very fast. Very good.
1
1 8.
1 8.
1, 8. Good job.
2 8. 2 8.
2, 8 or
1 top.
1 4.
1 4. Good job.
4.
Okay, we're the first one. Got it. Good job. Okay, let's try again. We still have the minutes, so let's use that time. This one. What's this?
1
1. Good job. And this one.
1 1.
1
1. Good job. This one.
7 8.
8.
7 8. Very good. Okay, what about this one? 3 8.
8.
Wow, very fast. This one.
2 8.
8.
Or
3 4.
nope.
1 4. 1 4.
1 4. Good job. This one.
2
1 4.
2 1
1 4. This one.
7
7 8.
8.
7 8. Good job. This one.
3 8.
3 8.
3 8. Good job. This one.
6 8.
Or
2
3
3 4.
3
4.
fourths. Good job. This one.
6
Okay, very good. Okay, the reason why we play that game is because we're going to study fraction. Okay, fraction is dividing numbers. Okay, it's like dividing numbers or objects. Alright, so before we start, I want to greet everybody first. Good morning. Good morning, Reem. Good morning, Earth. Good morning, Kaupun and Kaupan. Good morning, Min. Good morning, Pojai. Good morning, Ice. Good morning, Gan. Good morning, Pink. Who else? Good morning, Ayun. Good morning, Sin. And those who are in Thai that I cannot read. Good morning, Anpan. Okay, so for those who I cannot read, maybe your name is Thai, so I can read them. Good morning, Naman 5. Alright, good morning, Yok. Okay. Alright, so let's begin our class for today. The definition of fractions, reading and writing fraction expressions. Okay, so a while ago, we played a game about a pizza that is divided into pieces. Okay, that shows the fraction. Okay, so let's learn more about fraction. Okay, fractions of an object. For example, we divide a circular piece of paper into 2 equal parts. Or for example, we divide a pizza into 4/8. It looks like this, right? When you divide pizza 4/8. Okay? This looks... Okay, page. Wait a minute. That is in page...
Teacher page. No page.
Wait a minute. Page 180.
118 or 80. TY or TEN.
180
TY.
80.
130 ใช่ไหม
180.
180.
Yes. Yes.
180.
ที่โชว์อันนี้
180.
เฮ้
180.
180.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. So here it looks like the pizza that we divided into 4/8. Okay. For example, it's a pizza. It's divided into 8, and then there are 4 pieces left. So that is going to be 1/2. Okay. We can divide the pizza into 2 equal parts, and it will look like this. Okay. 1 out of 2 can be written as 1/2. Okay, this is read as 1/2. It looks like 1/2 like this, but this is 1/2. 1/2 can be read as 1/2. You can call it a half or 1/2. 2 is the denominator. Okay, can you say? Say denominator. Repeat after me. Say denominator.
Nominator.
Okay, again.
Nominator.
Denominator. Repeat after me.
Numerator.
The
The
na
na
mu
m
ne
Ne.
er.
the
Denominator.
Denominator.
Okay, good job. Denominator. Okay, so let's go. Okay, denominator is the number below. Okay, the 2 here is the denominator. Okay, and the number above is called the numerator. Okay, okay, can you say it? Say numerator.
Numerator.
Or say it with me.
No.
numerator.
A. Or repeat.
Me.
Me.
A
Ter. I said to me, ter.
the
Good job. Okay, numerator. Numerator.
numerator.
Good job. Okay.
Numerator.
Numerator is the number above. Okay, this the one here is the numerator. This one, number 2 is the denominator. Denominator. This one is the numerator. Alright? Okay, what is 1 here? What do we call this one? What's this? Number 1. I'll say numerator. Come on, you say it with me. Come on. What's this?
1
1, 2.
Yeah. 1 is
1 is 2.
not 2.
One half?
Numerator. Say
One
numerator.
numerator.
And the number 2 here is the denominator. Denominator.
Numerator.
Denominator, numerator. Numerator, denominator. Okay? Numerator, denominator. Alright, later we're going to talk about that again. Okay. Here we can divide a rectangular piece of paper into 5 equal parts. So if we color the 3 parts, for example, we get a piece of paper. Okay. I have here a piece of paper and I'm going to divide it into 5. Okay, for example, I divide it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So imagine lines here, okay? Okay, for example, this is the paper. Look at the screen. This is the paper and I divided it into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I colored the 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. I colored it, for example. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, 3 out of 5 can be written. 3 out of 5 can be written as 3/5. Okay, say 3/5. Say 3 or 5ths.
5th.
Okay, easy.
Easy.
Okay, 3/5. We read the numerator as the number itself. Okay, for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to read the numerator as those numbers. But for the denominator, we read it as first half, okay, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay, we do like that. We do half. Repeat after me. Repeat after me, okay? Okay, if the denominator is 2, we read it as half. Repeat after me. Say half,
Half.
thirds,
third,
fourths,
fourth,
4.
fifths,
fifth,
5.
sixths,
6.
sevenths,
seven,
7.
sevenths,
seventh,
eighths,
eighth,
ninths.
9.
Very good. Tenths.
tenth,
10.
Okay. For example, this one, this is called the fifths. Okay, fifths. Number 5, fifths. Okay? Okay, remember the line between the numerator and the denominator is called the fraction bar. This one, here I used slash, but this is supposed to be a bar. Okay, it looks like a bar, and that is called the fraction line. Fraction bar. Okay? Okay, say fraction bar. Say fraction bar. Good job. That is called the fraction bar. Okay, let's see, for example, that we divide a triangular piece of paper into 4 equal parts. Okay, and then after dividing a triangular piece of paper into 4 equal parts, we're going to color 3 of the parts. So we're going to color it 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the colored areas represent 3 out of 4 parts. 3 out of 4 parts. So for the notation, 3 out of 4 can be written as, for the colored parts, that will be the 3. The total parts will be 4. Okay, why is it 4? Because we divided it into 4. Let's count the triangles. How many triangles are there inside the big triangle? How many triangles are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 smaller triangles inside the big triangle. So that means that the triangle is cut into 4 parts. So the total parts is 4. So we have here 3 as the... how do we call the 3 here? How do we call the 3? Nu? You still remember? How do we call the 3? The number above the fraction bar. Okay, can you say it again? Say numerator. Numerator. Good job. And the number below the fraction bar is called what's this? Denominator. Say denominator.
The numerator.
Good job. So numerator is 3 and the denominator is 4. And what do we call the line here? The line like this. This is called the fraction bar. Fraction bar. Say fraction. Repeat after me. Fraction
bar.
Good job. Fraction bar. Okay, so how to read it? 3/4. This one, 3 over 4, is read as 3/4. 3/4. Okay, can you say 3/4? Say it with me, kids. Say 3/4. Can you say it?
4.
Because we have 3 and the number below is fourths. Fourths, okay? Did you understand? Okay, so now let's try to, wait a minute. I think we need to practice how to read fraction. So we're going to practice reading fraction first. Oh boy. Okay, 3/4 of this figure is, wait a minute.
Teacher, page.
Same, wait a minute. Page 180. 3/4 of this figure is colored. Okay, 3/4 of this figure is colored. Okay, let's try an activity. Please open your book to 181. 181. We're going to darken the circle below the figure that represents the correct shading for the given fraction.
Teacher,
Yes?
number 1 or number 2?
What do you mean number 1 or number 2? What? What number 1 or number 2? The first one. The number.
Right, number 1 or number 2?
Circle number 1.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Before we continue, wait a minute. I need to share you this one. We need to practice reading your reading fraction first. Okay, can you see this one? Okay. We read it as 1/2. Can you say 1/2?
1/2.
Okay, because there's one and the two below is read as halves. Okay, 1/2. This one is 2/2. Say 2/2.
2/2.
2/2. Good job. And this one, how do we read it? Say 1/3.
1/3.
1/3. Good
1/3.
job. You should repeat after Teacher Lance. So turn on your microphone. We have to practice how to read fractions. Okay? Turn on your microphone, kids. Turn on your microphone. Next one is, what number is this? What fraction is this?
2/3.
2/3. Good job, Min. Okay, 2/3. Repeat after me, everybody. Say 2/3.
2/3.
Good job. And this one is?
3/3.
This is 3.
3/3.
3/3. Okay. We read the number above. We read the number above as the number itself. Okay. If there's 1, we read it as 1. If there's 3, we read it as 3. What about this one? What's this? What's this? 1/4. Say 1/4.
1/4.
1/4. I think it's 1/4. Okay. Next one. How do we read this one? How do we read this?
2/4.
2/4. Good job. Okay, don't forget that. 2/4. 2/4. Okay, next one. What's this? How do we read this?
3/4.
3/4. 3/4. Okay, next one. What's this? How do we read this?
4/4.
4/4. 4/4. Okay? Okay, let me call somebody. Okay, Prim. How do we read this one? The red one?
1/2.
Not listening. 1/2.
1/2.
Okay, good job, Prim. Min. How do we read this?
2/2.
Nope. 2/2. 2/2.
2/2.
Okay, 2/2. Next, Earth. How do we read this, Earth? How do we read it? Say 1/3.
1/3.
1/3. Okay. Next, Ayun. Ayun, how do we read this? Ayun.
2/3.
Good job. 2/3. Next, Pink. Pink, can you read this? Pink. Okay, Pink is not there. Kaupan, can you read this, Kaupan? Kaupan? Okay, Kaupun. Kaupun, can you read this? Kaupun, can you read this?
3 red 3.
Say 3/3. 3/3.
3.
Good job, Kaupun. Okay, next, who are there? Anpan. Anpan, how do you read this? How do you read this? Say 1/4. 1/4.
1/4.
1/4.
1/4.
Good job. Okay, next. Scene. Scene, can you read this? How do we read this?
3.
This one, 2.
2.
Fourths.
4.
2/4.
2/4.
Okay, next, Pajay. How do you read this?
3/4.
Good job, 3/4. Okay, next, who are still there? Ice. Ice, are you there? Can you read this? Not here. Okay. Namon 15. Can you read this?
4.
4/4.
4/4.
Okay, good job. So that is how we read fractions. Okay. we're just going to read the number above the same way. Okay? The same way. Like 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, like that. But if we read the number below, or if we read the denominator, we read it as halves, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixths, sevenths, eighths, ninth, tenth. Okay? So that's how we read the denominator. Okay, so we're going to have some activity. So I want you to open your book to 181. 181. What are we going to do? We're going to darken the circle below the figure that represents the correct shading for the given fraction. 181. Okay, for example, 1/2. Which is the correct one? A, B, or C?
C. C. C.
C, good job. That is C, 1/2. Finish number 1.
Finish.
Everybody finish?
Finish.
Okay, let's go to number 2. For number 2, 2/3. 2/3. Which is the correct one? 2/3.
B.
B, correct. Good job. 2/3, correct.
Teacher, number 2 is
Secret. Number 2 is
B. B.
B. Good job. Okay.
Number 2 B.
Okay, so everybody finished?
Finish. Finish.
Okay, let's go to number 3. I think you are familiar with fraction, but it's maybe you're just having a hard time in reading it. Okay, but I know you will do it. Okay, I know you can do it. Number 3, 4/6. 4/6.
C. C.
A, good job, Bree.
A.
That's letter A. 4/6. Finish number 3.
Finish. Finish.
Okay, number 4.
Teacher, number 1 C.
Number 1?
C.
Number 1 C.
Yes.
C. 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 C.
Number 4, 3/5. 3/5.
C. C.
C, good job. Number 4 is C. Everybody finished?
Finish. Finish.
Okay. So let's go to next part. Color the figure. Oh, you need a crayon. Do you have a crayon or a colored pencil? You have a colored pencil or a crayon? Crayon. Coloring, color.
Teacher, number 2 A or B?
Number 2. This one?
C.
This one? Letter B.
Teacher.
2/3. Yes, coloring. Yes. Okay. For the next part, we're going to color the figure to represent the given fraction. So I want you to color the figure to represent the given fraction. For example, number 1, 1/3. 1/3. So you're going to color one of the
Color 1 ใช่
parts. Yes.
ใช้กับ
It's
pencil
easy. Huh?
ใช้กับ pencil ใช่ไหม
Colored pencil.
โอเค โอเค
If you have colored pencil, it's better.
ช่องไหน
But if
ก็
you
ได้
don't
ใช่ไหม
have,
ช่องไหน
ฮะ
พี่เชื่อช่องไหนก็ได้
huh?
ช่องไหน
Color?
color ช่องไหนเต้นอยู่
What's
Color ABC. Color ABC.
not ABC? What ABC?
โอ้ยระบายช่องนึงแหละ
A
Color.
or B or C.
No. Color 1/3 like this.
color 1
Yes. This one 1/3, right? Color 1. Okay?
นี่ใช่ไหมไม่รู้ว่าวง
Yes, correct. I own.
ระบาย
Number
ไม่
1.
ต่อเลยก็ได้นะ
1/3, you're going to color 1 out of 3. Okay? Understood?
นี่ขนาดว่า าดภาพยังวาดได้เลยแบบไม่มีสี
Wow. Everybody finish the number 1?
ที่นี่
Sure.
เขามีตักสีที่สุด
I can see Min because of your background.
ว่า
Can I see?
ได้ใครชนะ
Yes, I cannot see.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. Correct.
Number
Everybody finish in number 1?
number 1 finish.
นี่
Okay, let's go to number 2. Number 2, 2/4.
ระบายช่อง
2/4.
ไหน
ช่องไหนก็ได้
Anywhere.
Okay.
Yes, anywhere.
ช่องไหนก็ได้แต่
Color 2/4.
ระบายให้ถูก
Now I understand what
ระ
you're
บายช่อง
saying.
ไหนก็ได้ แต่ขอแค่มันระบายสองช่องใช่ ระบายช่องไหนก็ได้ แล้วก็
Yes.
ระบายสองไปเลยละกันไม่ต้องสวยมาก
Fish
ไม่ต้องมีลิปซี่ไม่ต้องแบบเขาเลือกปืนก็ได้แต่
Everybody finished?
ก็นี่มันเป็น
ว้าว
ยุบไป
ศิลปะก็ถ้าพอพูดขอระบายแบบนี้ได้ไหม
ยุบไป ไป
Finish everybody? Okay, now Min, I saw it. Okay, next number 3. Number 3, 6/7. 6/7. 6/7.
พูดกับตัวเขาเองโอ้โอ้
Six, seven.
ระบาย6 ช่อง ได้
6/7.
1 2 3 4 5แล้วก็6เสร็จแล้วระบายไม่ต้องนับก็ได้ป้านเว้นไว้แค่ช่องเดียว แค่รู้เปล่าว่าเราระบายแบบไหนรู้ไหมพรีมเพราะว่าระบายแบบอันที่สองระบายแบบอันที่สองมาขีด
ขีดเส้นหนึ่งเส้นขีดเส้นหนึ่งเส้นอย่างนั้นเหรอ ช่วยหน่อย
ขีดแบบ
Finish?
ขีดหนึ่ง
น้องฟิช
เส้นนั้น
Okay, so
Show it
let's
na,
go to
Yaki.
number
เส้น
4.
เละมาแล้ว
Number 4, 3/6.
ก็ระบายไป
3/6.
3 ช่อง1 2 3
Three,
1
six.
2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1และอันนี้
3/6.
ไม่โม้นะแต่จริง
number 4 3 6
Yep.
ๆระบาย3ช่องไง
number 4 3 6
3/6.
พี่เชอร์แลนด์อีโซบิวตี้ฟูลมากเลย
Yes.
โอ้โหสุดยอด
ระบายด้วยดินสอ
What color is that? Is that a pencil? You don't have
Yeah,
crayons?
pencil.
เป็นซิล
You don't have crayons?
ถ้าเกิดเราเป็นสีเราแสดงว่าเป็นการระบาย
pencil เขาปั้นใช้ pencil
มี
No
สี
color
เชื่อบอก
pencil.
แค่ระบายกับดินสอพี่เชอร์แลนด์มีเคอร์เลอ
Yes.
ร์แต่ไม่อยากหยิบกลัวเสร็จไม่ทันกลัวมันจะไปยุ่งกับการเลือกสีมันก็จะไม่ทัน
Everybody finish?
ระบายดีกว่านะ
Everybody finish?
ทีนี้
Number 5, 4/5. 4/5. 4/5.
โอ้ระบายไป4 ช่องใช่ไหมพี่เชอร์พูดอังกฤษ
ไม่ต้องถามก็รู้
1 2 3 1 2 3โอเคทีนี้พี่เชอร์โซบิวตี้ฟูลมากเลย
โอเค beautiful ก็ beautiful นะ
แล้วทำไมกระเรงสีแบบขี้เกียจจบนะ
Number 6.
ของเรา beautiful
Number 6. 7/8. 7/8.
7
Yep,
เราไปเป็น4 ช่องเข้าใจ
7/8.
ปะ1 2 3 4 1 2 3เราไปเป็น1 ช่องแล้วช่องที่ 2 ช่องที่ 3 ช่องที่ 4 ช่องที่ 5 ช่องที่ 6 แล้วก็ช่องที่
ช่องที่ 7 ช่องที่ 8 แล้วก็ผิดซะแล้ว
ถ้าเกิดใครใช้ดินสอระบายนี่โอเคมากเลยนะ แต่ใครใช้สีระบายนี่คือเลยชุ่มเลยนะ
เพราะมันจะลบไม่ได้ใช่ปะ
ใช่
ดินสอมันลบได้ แต่เราจะใช้สีโดยที่ไม่ให้ผิด
แต่ว่าห้ามใช้
Finish
ดินสอเรา
everybody
ต้องใช้สีนะ
Finish?
ปีนัด
What? Okay, for your
ปีนั
homework,
ด no finish
please finish 181 and send it to your line group. Mathematics 3/3. So today we studied fractions, how to read it and how to write it.
พี่
So I hope that you learned something from your class today and I hope that you enjoyed this class. Bye, bye
ปวด
kids.
หัวกับก้อนบ้านี่แหละอู้คุณเด้อจะปวดหัวแล้วก็ไม่ปวดหัวตอนที่ทำประวัติศาสตร์นะกับถ้าเกิดมีแล้วแม่ประวัติศาสตร์โอ้โหพอเอาเสร็จแล้วก็ออกไปเลยมี1 2 3
ออกได้ไหมอ่ะ
มีวาย